Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and today we're flipping rocks to see what we'll find. So, first rock. Let's see what we get, guys. So we got a slug and nothing much really. So we're gonna leave the rock in the same place. Let's see this big rock here. Let's see what it contains. Oh wow. There's a big spider there, web. And that's about it really. So let's do one more rock before I end the video. Let's see what rock we find, guys. Here. Guys. Let's see what we find, guys. Absolutely nothing. If you want part 2, please comment in the video. It's my first actual nature video, so thank you a lot for the support.